Hey, what's up, guys? It's Greg Luther, and I am outside. It's finally a nice day in Ohio, and this is as far away from the house as we're allowed to go. So it's actually Greg Luther and my new friend William, who's going to be hanging out with me for the next couple of days here. But anyway, we've got a lot of real estate agents that are getting appointments every single day from their house. I want to share that with you because it's surprising to me how well video is doing. Just like the video I'm on right now, it's working extremely well for you to meet with buyers and meet with sellers. I've actually been kind of documenting this. I've been coaching a bunch of realtors here over the last few weeks on how they keep their business rocking during this whole pandemic thing. So a lot of agents are setting up video conferences with buyers and sellers in their area, people they've never even met before, and surprisingly enough, they actually prefer that. The clients like it and the agents like it as well. So I've created an entire training around this based on the scripts they're using, how they're setting up the meeting. What if it's an old person that doesn't know how video works? And what if I don't like video and all that stuff? So I'm working on right now a training on this that is going to be extremely helpful for the agents and just duplicating what some of our top producers are doing. I spoke with one of my platinum agents today that had 4 appointments yesterday in one day, 4 video appointments, 3 with sellers and 1 with a buyer. So I'm going to be releasing this training. I'm recording everything and getting all the scripts and how to do it and that type of thing. I'm going to be releasing it Saturday for the low price of $0. You just have to be an Inner Circle member. One of the benefits of being an Inner Circle member with us here. So I'm working on that training right now. Many of you know I'm in the process of packing and all that stuff, making the move, moving back to Tampa more full-time. I'm keeping my Ohio place too, but moving back to Florida on a little more full-time basis. And finally got over that freaking sick. I thought I was going to die last week. I got over that sickness last week. That stuff ain't no joke. The stuff you see on TV is real. But I'm back at it now. We've been working with these agents nonstop on getting those appointments every single day. How are they getting those video appointments? So that you can take tours of the home, you can give them advice on what to do, how to declutter, what they need to do to prepare the home for sale, all of that good stuff. We're doing very, very well with it. So I'm going to be releasing that training on Saturday. I'm going to do a public training about it, kind of the basics around it, on Friday. Problem is, I don't have a link or a website for you to register for it or anything else. I'm just going to email it to everybody that's on my email list. So if you're not on my email list, you definitely need to do that. I cannot add you from here. The only way you can get on there is if you watch the training at getfastclosings.com. When you opt in at that website, of course I got a bee bothering me. Don't let me get stung. I've had enough happen in the last week. I don't need to be stung by a bee too. But if you opt in on that website, getfastclosings.com, that automatically adds you to our email list. So there's about a 40-minute training you can watch on there. But let me tell you the agenda. You're stuck at the house right now. I want you making money. This coming Friday, I'm doing a training about kind of a show and tell about how agents are doing these video conferences. I really think it's going to keep going like this even after we're allowed to go out and meet with people. They prefer it that way. They prefer someone not coming in their home, at least during that initial process. So I will be doing that training on Friday, and then the full-blown training I'm releasing to all of our Inner Circle members on Saturday. It's going to be loaded onto the member site, and you'll all be able to utilize that literally word for word, like exactly what to say, how to meet with them. Can you guys see this bee flying around? So I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. And just, how many meetings have you had this week? I mean, so I'm recording this live. Today is Wednesday. And how many meetings have you had this week? Are you meeting with clients, or are you saying, oh, I can't make any money right now? How many meetings were you having before the pandemic happened? How many were you actually going out and meeting them face-to-face? This is an approach that can definitely help you with meeting more people right now while you are able to do so by video. So anyway, I think you'll find that very helpful. So everybody that's on my email list, I'm going to do a training on Friday about this, just kind of a show and tell, not really all the details and scripts and that type of thing, but a show and tell to give you some ideas on what to do. If you're on my email list, you will get invited to that. Of course, I'll have a pitch on there to join Greg Luther Inner Circle too. If that's not cool with you, keep doing what you're doing. Totally fine, don't join. But if you are interested in being put on my email list, I'm getting ready to send an email as soon as I get inside here to our entire list, so you'll want to do it right now. getfastclosings.com is a recorded training to show you how to start getting more business. And if you opt in there, that puts you on my email list. So I am literally, in about 15 minutes here, I'm going to be sending an email to our entire list about Friday's training to show you a little bit about how to do these video conferences. And as long as you have a smartphone, Android, iPhone, whatever, here. Hopefully I'm still live. If you guys can still hear me or see me, just type in the comments here. I think it might have went out. Hopefully you can still hear me here. I came outside and lost my signal. Anyway, that will be coming up here Friday, and then the entire Inner Circle group is going to get that full-blown training on Saturday as soon as I get it loaded. So anyway, hopefully it's still working here and you guys can see me and hear me. Otherwise, I'll plan on talking to you very soon. Check out getfastclosings.com. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.